Hi all, hope you all are doing great and I wish you a happy new year. Thanks all for keeping me so happy for the last year and supporting me with all these good subscribers. I know the number is very low, but each subscriber makes me so happy and makes me feel more towards a positive note to keep on doing my favorite thing, to film videos with for you. I always want to make my collection videos, what I have been collecting for my skincare or the perfume or anything. So today I'm here with my fragrance collection. So I love fragrances. I just want to share everything what I have with you people. So this is what I have. I know it's a small collection, but still I thought I'll share the ones what I love most. And I'm very particular and peculiar about picking any fragrance because person likes different type of fragrances. Few people like fruity, few like woody smells, few like very romantic smells, few like very strong smells. I am not the person who want to smell very strong. I love floral. Yes, you understand what type of fragrances I love. I love floral, little musky, woody, and good ones. So the most favorite one ever I have in my collection is Calvin Klein Beauty one. I love it to the core, and when I was in UK, for when I was studying there, this was the first perfume ever I have bought with my own money, own hard-earned money. I will always treasure this one. So most favorite perfume I have is Vera Wang. It's so nice. It smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so nice. I actually use it only on my special occasions. It's White Musk Body Mist from the Body Shop, and there is difference between the EDT fragrance what you have and the perfume mist what you use, because the perfume mists are a little diluted. They don't last on your skin for long like the perfumes does. So this lasts for like 4 to 5 or 6 hours and you have to reapply again. But I love this because on a daily wear you can use it rather than wearing a perfume every day, or for the office wear it's good. So I love the White Musky range. I have the same range of body wash and the body lotion, and I pair it with that. It's so musky. It's so nice. I just love the way it is. Love to the core is the Gardenia one. I actually brought body shower gel, body lotion, and this mist of the same range, so I want to smell like Gardenia all the day. And it is so nice. Trust me, it smells so nice like the gardenia flowers out there. And when I wear it, I feel I'm in a garden. Trust me. It might be weird for you, but seriously, I love this gardenia fragrance. I love to the core. And this is so nice. I use White Musk EDT, which is the body perfume. So I also have the body mist, the same range. So these are the ones. Also, I have a smaller one. So I have 3 of the same ranges. I have one of 30 ml, I have one of I don't know what 60 ml, and then I have a mist. So these are 3 of the same ranges. So these are so nice. I love the packaging. I love the they are Fuji Water Lotus fragrance mist. This smells little lotusy. So this is okay. I don't like it too much, but this is okay. And let me tell you how it smells. It smells little floral, not much, but more like a musky one. So this is like musk plus floral one. The next one I have is the Body Shop British Rose. I just love this. It smells like 1,000 roses near you. It smells exactly like roses. It's so nice. It smells like rose. I paired it up with the body butter so I can smell good. And I also have a shower gel. Perfume I have is from Oriflame Paradise one. I love the packaging it is. And firstly, I love the packaging. Secondly, I love the fragrance. It's very musky. It's very womanish. It's very musky. It's little strong on the way it smells rather than the other perfumes I have. It's little strong. Avon's Imari Seduction one. So I also love the way it is. It's actually very seducing fragrance. It's more like feminine perfume, and it's like I mean, you know what you're doing with your life, so I think that's what it is. Recently brought the body butter, so I can pair this one as well. This one I have is the Gardenia perfume. I love the way it is, and I love how it smells. So I have this and the EDT going on with the same, so I can smell nice. I have is like the one which I got from Natural Bath and Body Sweet Ocean mist. It is okay. It is okay because it makes me feel fresh. So this is the one. And the next one I have is Midnight Kisses Fine Fragrance Mist. It's an Italian one. So I bought it in a drugstore. It's very strong, it's very loved. It's like more feminine one. So that's nice. I have been using it. And I have a small sample of Little Black Dress from Avon. It's very nice. I actually try to, it's actually a travel one with the roller on it. So I use it only when I'm traveling. I also have a sample one for the Gardenia one, so I use it when I'm traveling. So these are all what I have for my fragrance ones. And I also am planning to buy one, not now but maybe in February or so. And please let me know if you want me to do a video for how to smell good all the time or how to smell fabulous, so I can guide with the tips on what I use on my skin and how I pair things with, so I can smell nice. So please let me know if you want me to do a separate video on it. And thank you all for watching this video. And if you're a new visitor, please subscribe and become one of my family, YouTube family subscribers. And love you all, and thank you so much for watching this video. And please like this video and give a big thumbs up. It means a lot to me and also a lot to all other YouTubers. So please encourage us, and thank you all and have a great day.